It's 11:53 a.m. I'm gonna show you something, guys. I bought something from Fully Booked yesterday, and it's so cute. It's a Mega Space Molly. Ito yung card. Nandun yung ano. Let me get it. So cute. It's so cute, guys. Mas cute siya sa Sonny Angels. Pero it's more expensive. It's like 700. But it's so cute. It can also move. Like, and this also moves. My bed is so messy, so we're gonna fix it. That's how I fix my bed. Like, ganyan lang. Ganyan lang, guys. And I'm done. I'm rewatching Gossip, guys. It's my favorite. I love Gossip. "5:34 p.m. and I'm gonna exercise. I'm gonna wear my Fitbit. It has a Charmander, Pikachu. Anong tawag dito? Wallpaper. No, hindi siya wallpaper. Basta yung design ng clock. It's so cute. All done. Last but not the least, my headphones. I need to wear my headphones every time I exercise. I need music. Tatakbo lang ako actually sa treadmill for like 1 hour or 30 minutes. Is this called working out? Kahit tatakbo lang ako, I feel like yes. I do this. Yes. Treadmill, and then I start. Guys, I'm tired. I'm like, wala pa sa 2 kilometers. I'm now listening to my 17 playlist. Hey y'all, I'm done exercising. I ran 3.65 kilometers. Ang sarap ng tubig. I'm done, guys. Come with me as I brush my precious teeth. My pants is still here. I don't know kung ba't di ko nilagay sa hamper. First, syempre maglalagay ako ng toothpaste sa toothbrush ko. Alam nga ni hindi. Oh my god, there's a freaking spider. Now, I'm gonna put my retainers na binabad ko kanina sa basta yung panlinis ng retainers. Here are my retainers. He's back in the house after 3 days, guys. After 3 days, tas hindi siya naligo sa Lasal, bro. Nag-retreat siya, guys. Di siya naligo. I'm gonna listen to my 17 playlist. On repeat to sa akin. Like, kaya ko siyang pakinggan everyday, guys. Tapos na ako mag-exercise. So, ngayon tapos na ako mag-exercise. I'm just gonna take a break. Tapos maliligo na ako. Tapos, I think kakain na ako ng dinner. This is like 5:53 right now. So, after ko maligo, kakain na ako. Hindi ko na alam anong ginagawa ko sa day in my life na to. Days in my life, actually. Okay, yun lang.
Yes! Yes!
Sad. Yes. Angry.
Yes!
Crying.
Yes.
Best
Ayoko na.
actress to... Kasama to sa vlog. Girl din yan.
Grabe naman yun, no power.
Kasi sabi ko kay Kuya,
Say hi properly.
Hi.
Melo's here. In my room. Right now? Hindi pa right now. I'm gonna go work out. That's the only productive thing I do in a day. So, might as well share it. Let's wear my precious running shoes because I'm gonna run. Tatakbo lang ako kasi tinatamad ako tinatamad that stuff for like the whole week now. So let's not do that. Let's listen to my birthday playlist. Mary's Bombastic 18th. First one, my favorite song to dance to, Teach Me How to Doggy. You know what? So I finished my one online class today. The rest is asynchronous. So now I'm watching one of my favorite YouTubers, Brianna Kwan. Here. I'm just watching because I finished. Oops, wait. Because I finished doing some of my tasks na due tomorrow. So now it's my free time. So I'm just gonna enjoy my free time and watch on YouTube. Why is my tripod tabingi? It's like so tabingi. Okay, that's it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed kahit like most of the time nasa room ko lang ako and paulit-ulit mga ginawa ko. But next time, I'm gonna try to include like pag lumalabas ako ng bahay para may iba naman. So, thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog.